If you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with Julia's Hair. I wanted me a human hair curly wig, so I did some research, saw a lot of good reviews on Julia's Hair on YouTube, so I decided to give them a try, and plus they had a sale going on. So as y'all know, I have my synthetic hair and my human hair, but I've never purchased a curly human hair wig, like a deep kind of wave. I've never purchased one, so I really want to so bad. So I purchased one from them. It is 22 inches. It came in this bag. It was in this net. And it's a U part. So it's beautiful. But it's 22 inches, you know, if you flat iron it. So it's not going to look 22 inches in my hand, but it's beautiful. Like whoever made this cap, I haven't put it on yet, but whoever made this cap did a really good job. Because I've only bought one U part from Love Me Hair, and the cap was just too big. The hair was awesome, but the cap was too big. But this one, like I've even sat it on my head like this, and I can tell that it's gonna fit perfect. But if you haven't got a U part, basically it'll come like this, and you cut this middle piece out, and then you just put your natural hair through it, and then in the inside they have combs here, here, in the back. They even have a drawstring. So this company did the dang thing. That's what I'm saying. I really love it. It's beautiful. Because I was tired of buying my synthetic curly wigs, and then after months have to buy another one. They were fine, but I was really adding it up, because even though they're $20-$25, I was buying them every 2 months, 3 months. This wig actually was on sale for $150, and it was supposed to be like over $200. So it was a really good sale for 22 inches. I could have got it cheaper, but I wanted to do 22 inches. So anyways, but that's the hair. And it came with 2 gifts in the bag, which is a stocking cap. Y'all already know what that looked like. And this right here, I don't really know what it is. I don't know if it's a scarf or what. I'm assuming it's like a scarf to So, yeah, it came with 2 free gifts. So, I'm going to try it on with y'all. I just shampooed my hair, so it's wet right now. I'm gonna make a little part here and style it for y'all. And let's see how we like it together, okay?
So first things first, I like to measure the U part area and try to do it on my hair. Do the same U part shape. Section the piece off with something. And in the back, I like to put it in 2 plaits. Everybody does their hair a different way, but this is how I like to do mine. This is just water I'm spraying. I'm going to brush this side out and do the same exact thing. Next, I like to take the two and pin it up. Use a bobby pin or just a clip. To me, the clips hold it better. And normally I just keep it like this and I'll put my wig on. But today I'm gonna use the wig cap that they gave me just to hold everything in place good. Now to the U part. Cut off the straps. That's where your hair is gonna go through. Then place the wig on and you're gonna use the combs and the drawstring to secure it. Adjust the back to your liking. Now the part that you had separated, that's your parting space. All I'm gonna do is just put a middle part and wet it and blend it. Now my hair is heat damaged, so it's so straight in the front. I'm trying to get my wave pattern back, which is one of the reasons I wanted to purchase a deep wave wig, so I don't have to put any heat in my hair for a while. But what I'm gonna do is blend it the best way I can. And I like to use Eco Styler gel. This is my favorite one. I'm just gonna sleek my edges and try to hide some of the straight pieces so it can blend better. So far it's looking good. But this is the hair. This is how long it is in the back. I love everything about it. Please like and subscribe if you love the video. Thank you.